first you open grimfree.website. The link is down below the description. And then once you sign up with your credentials and you are done, then you'll be brought to the dashboard. And then on the dashboard you see roles, your invite, your smart contact, and then the videos you watch. Here you watch videos, you roll for free, and you invite people, and then they pay you. So if you go to free, the free is a free role. You spend it every 1 hour. So I've spent it long time ago, so now 11 with 9 minutes for me to spin again. And then here are the lucky numbers. These are the lucky numbers. So if you are lucky and then you get 1000 as your lucky number, then you get 1000 gram. My last roll was, my lucky number was 248, and then from 1 to 980 it's 0.1 gram. So for you to redraw, because that's always the most important part of every online business, the withdrawal, first of all you must get a gram up to 500. That's the maximum you can always redraw. So they said value must be greater or equal to 500 gram, and then before you can redraw. So you can use Bitcoin, you can redraw it to your Bitcoin, your MasterCard, your Visa, PayPal, American Express, and then the rest. So guys, this is just a legit way to make money, so take it a chance. And then also the referral. If you refer one friend, you get 1 gram. No, if you refer one friend, you get 5 grams for free. And then if you watch any video, you get like 0.1 gram. So every day they give you 10 videos. For today I've watched all my videos, and you can also upload a video like what I'm doing to upload, and then they can also